Hi guys, today I'm doing a test on making my own tomato sauce for my Pizza Napoletana, and this time I want to use fresh tomatoes because I don't have the San Marzano cans available. And so I'm going to try the different methods that I've been reading or seeing on YouTube videos, which is one is to actually peel, actually not peel, but actually blanch the tomatoes, and so it makes it easier to peel. And today I'm going to find out if that is if that actually does make sense, because if you're boiling the tomatoes to get the skin off, why do you actually need to get the skin off? As I'm going to use this machine to get the paste, I will show you in a second. So here I have some plum tomatoes that I just put in boiling water, and I'm going to try this for about 10 minutes, because I tried to actually peel them as they were and it was actually not possible. But here I have another type of tomato which I was able to peel without boiling, and but again, why do I need to peel them if I'm going to use this thing here? So we'll see. So as you can see, I just took them out of the pot and I placed them here. They are still very warm, and this is one that I just took, and actually, but I'm burning. It's very difficult to, it's coming off easy, but I'm actually burning my hands. What I'm noticing when I'm peeling them, that I'm actually taking off a thick skin, not just the skin that we see here, but actually, you know, there's a lot of good paste on here, or call it good meat. So again, I'm not convinced why I need to peel. You see how much that I'm taking off, and there's a lot meat left there. But anyway, once you boil them for, I did it for about 6 minutes in boiling water. They actually peel, yes. So I just finished peeling the tomatoes, and for these tomatoes, this is what I peeled off, and it almost looks like I don't know, 15% waste. These are plum tomatoes, which I put in boiling water for, you know, about 5 to 6 minutes, which I peeled. And these are untreated. I'm just going to wash them. I did a little try on how easy it is to peel, and it peels very easy without boiling, and I think I prefer not boiling. The aromas are very rich, and I will just clean them. I will try to put them through the hand machine there, some peeling, and I will try to do no peeling, and we'll see how that turns out. Okay guys, so I'm going to give this a go with this vegetable mill. So I'm just going to add the cut up plum tomatoes. Let's see if that makes a difference. Honestly, I don't really like this this machine. I don't know if it's doing a good enough of a job. They say that this is the best machine to have for this type of job, but look, these are peeled tomatoes, and still, you know, look, all this flesh that I have left, peeled tomatoes. So again, I have to throw away this, I guess. And that looks like this. It's It's very watery. I don't know how I'm gonna use this on a pizza. I don't want to boil this to reduce, I don't know. I'll see what I'll do. Now the test is to use a regular tomato with the skin on, untouched, just cut into smaller pieces like this. You see the skin is still there. Let's see how that goes. So the whole reason of this experiment is to see if I really have to boil it to peel off the skin, or if I really need to peel off the skin. Honestly, I don't see why I have to take off the peel, because the peel is not going to pass through the hole there. I would say that this is a much better way. Just take a tomato, cut it in pieces and throw it right in here. Yeah. So I don't think next time that I will bother to boil and peel. Look at this, how nice the peels just stay there, you see? And almost the whole tomato passed. I think that this is the way to go. So no reason to boil and peel the tomatoes. So now that I've finished with passing everything through the vegetable mill, I have a nice sauce. It's crazy that I still have the seeds inside because I use the biggest whole grate. So what I'm going to try to do, what I read online, is to use a coffee filter to get some of that water out, because I don't want to boil this sauce any further. So let's see how it goes. Okay, it looks like this is going to take forever. Almost nothing is coming out. Okay, so yeah, this is going to take forever. I don't know if this is a good idea. Let's see with just a plain strainer. I'm hoping that I'm not going to lose much. I don't know, you judge. It actually, yeah, I have more of a less runny. But I'm losing a lot there. Let's see if it gets better by putting more. Yeah, I think that this is a better solution. Not to worry too much about the loss. Still a little time consuming. I'm using the what stays on the side of the screen as a kind of a filter for the water. Yeah, this turns out to be okay. Okay guys, so here I'm again. I'm going to try this all from scratch again, because as you could see from the previous video, I had too much water from the tomato. So this time what I'm going to do, instead of blanching and peeling, I will just cut them in half, take out the center with the seeds, which has a lot of water, and then I will pass it to the vegetable mill. Nice tomato, I will take out the centers with a spoon. So all the water is out here, I just have the meat. I'm just going to do it with my fingers. Easier with the fingers. I want to be sure that all the water is removed, so I'm going to put it in a centrifuge, even though it's already pretty good. Okay, so here are all the cut tomatoes, and I put them in the tosser to toss out all the liquids. So now I'm going to put it in. And the consistency now is better. There you have it guys, a perfect sauce.